It is very important for us here in South Africa to pay close attention to this so-called Government of National Unity. And specifically, we must pay attention to the behavior of the Democratic Alliance as well as the ANC. If you pay close attention, then you will see that the ANC and the DA are actually fooling their voters by pretending to not agree with certain things, whereas behind closed doors, these people agree on everything. Let me make an example. If we can look back to when Ramaphosa signed the National Health Insurance Bill, the DA was complaining and the DA was making threats saying that if Ramaphosa signs the bill, they will consider leaving the GNU. But what happened was that Ramaphosa signed the NHI bill and the DA did not leave. And then came the Bella bill. The DA called all of their racist friends, all of their racist allies, including the Patriotic Alliance, and they marched wearing orange racist colors from Dutchland. They marched and they made threats saying that if Ramaphosa signs the Bella Act, all hell would break loose. But he signed, and there was no hell breaking loose. Now, we see them, the DA, making press briefings and repeating the same old threats that they have been making but which never came to pass. So this proves beyond reasonable doubt that all of these disagreements are choreographed and premeditated to fool the voters of these two parties to think that both these parties are still maintaining their independence. But in actual fact, these two parties agree on everything. We